somebody's behind. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hello, my name is Pentewah, and if you made it to my video, welcome. How you doing? I hope everybody's fine. So it's currently, I don't know, but it's in the morning, and then I'm meeting my friend Jessica on campus because, oh my god, my bed is so messy. Today we decided to visit China Mall. I've seen it once and I'm always hearing about it, and people say, even Jessica said, the things there are not expensive. So that is my reason for going there, and I just want to see what they have and then take a break from studying today because I cannot. Wait, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.
Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
So guys, I just got to campus and I bought some kinky outside because Charlie, it's almost 10. Oh, it's actually almost 11. Can I go and drink tea by this time? I need all the energy I can get today.
We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see.
Girl. There's nothing in your man. There's nothing wrong.
That's bad.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Hey! Oh my god. Is it?
Thank you.
What is it to everyone? I've not heard about ours.
Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
I'm really exposing you, this girl.
I don't bother.
Say hello to New
I don't dance now. I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance. I make money. There's some holes in this house. There's some.
I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off.
Cause you don't really like the 68 Jets. Diamonds and nothing.
Run away with me, we're on.
So guys, we just got to the famous China Mall. We have to wash our hands. Let's go wash yours first.
Feet up on the dashboard.
I want to see what they have on this aisle too.
It's mobile money. What do you think mobile money?
I don't think so, but you let's see.
It doesn't look real.
So there's a height now.
So we're bare.
Short like that now.
Yes.
Yes, this is the yoga mat. Yeah, my mother can use it because nowadays my auntie said she should be doing that exercise thing. This is 40 cedis. This is 40 cedis. The yoga mat. It's 40 cedis. What is there?
It's a bit mirror.
The mirror.
Because I went to where they didn't allow mirror.
They didn't allow you to send mirrors. Why? Oh, I really like their mirror. I like this.
New York City, take my hand and see. Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. But you never know if you never go.
Just take a thumbnail. When we get to the key.
Ain't throwing us a wink or rishi. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never
Girl. Hi, girl.
stay with me and say hello to New York City. Run away with me.
These beans. This is cute. Well, I have some of this. I have some of this. I don't want this one. Look at this cute one. They don't have a sample of the cute one. How much is it before I even take it? 12 cedis, right? Oh, they're cute. I like it. This is cute. This is cute. Am I lying? How much is it? 8, 15 cedis. Right now, I'm just checking the things. If I like it, I'll come back for it.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock.
That's my favorite aisle. I want dangerous ceramic. I saw one ceramic type B on Instagram. I've been searching for it like something. If I find it here. See this? So cute. Oh, I love this shape. But I don't know what I'll use it for.
Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So
Wow, this is cute. Oh, I love this shape. I love this shape.
Okay, you love everything.
But okay, this shape is nice. And it's 4 cedis. Look at my purse is inside though.
Full like fresh.
Every little boy's dream.
some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back. Cause we're moving on.
Oh my god, is this the oil dispenser? Yes.
We have some in the house. How much is it?
I don't know. They don't have the price on it. Oil bottle. 14 cedis. I really want to buy, but I don't know what I'll use it for right now.
You pour oil inside.
Is that what I'm thinking it is?
What?
A storage box.
Butter box.
Butter box. Oh. Hey. Oh, I just can see the chopstick. Like China one. This is so Chinese. Let's go. We should buy one and learn how to use it.
How much is
I
that?
don't even know. I want to see it. I can't find it. Oh, they didn't put the price there. This put to that's one thing I don't like about them so far. They barely put
Oh, I want
prices.
some. I want to try using it.
But if you don't know now, could not say 40 cedis. You rather come and put it back. This guy wants a wooden spoon. I want a wooden spoon. I don't like the way this one is looking. I want this. Just see this one. See this one. The chopstick. It's 6 cedis. I want the wooden spoon.
What will you use it for?
The Echo. Go Echo. What is that? What is that?
When you cook, na air shit.
2 cedis, 50 pesos. Okay, this one is 2 cedis. Chop or no?
Chop.
So you want to chop? And they even have cheaper ones here if you want to try. Like this is 3 cedis. I'm sure it will break very soon.
But it seems like plenty.
It's plenty. Let me just have to take one. This is the placemat. It's expensive, but it's in plenty. This is maybe next time. But Jessica, I can't wait to own a house. Yes, I can't wait to own a house.
In here, the driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the bus. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags.
This fries thing.
This is so small.
Why? How many fries will you fry?
No, they use baby like something like this.
But this is cute. Probably if you don't want a lot.
So small. They fry.
Take
Guys, if you watched my...
Do I get a big one or a small one?
You want one? If you watched my gifts idea video, I spoke about having a friend who loves stationery. Guys, you can come get some here. They are so affordable, like 2 cedis, 50 pesos for a sticky note. So affordable.
Well, listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, 'cause we're moving on. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me.
Things like this make me so happy, but I don't know what I'll use it for. Okay, I think I'll need something like this. Yes, I'll need something like this. Collect. And so so cute. This one. How much?
With me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty.
I'm not a crash my TV was sorry. I hope the other video is fascinating. Because I'll post instead of it. No, don't post it again because I'll let someone else.
Doesn't even matter what they are doing. I'm taking a video. Jessica, why are you doing that? Guys, we just finished with the China Mall, and right now, hi girl.
Yeah, on our way to Marina.
This girl is a millionaire. She wants ring lights, man. So we are on our way to the Marina Mall. We are waiting for our Uber driver. So yeah, I hope you are liking this video, guys. If you are liking the video, so my girl,
Subscribe.
yeah,
Comment.
subscribe, share, comment.
Tell your friends. Tell your friends.
Tell your friends to share and comment and subscribe as well. Abi, what's the car number? Yeah, we're taking pictures. Did you see us? He saw us.